Yo, what up, YouTube fam? This is your boy, C's back hurt, man. I with a C10 again. And man, I just had to show you guys what I got from what this place called Classic Chevys. Classic Chevy C10. That's the magazine. That's the catalog I ordered from. And I ordered me some new bed mounting bolts. And I ordered some bed mounting pads. Bed mounting pads. It goes between the truck bed and the frame. Cuts down on that chafing, metal to metal. You know, keeps things quiet, levels things out, and all that good stuff. I can't recall if they come like that stock. I mean, the bed's been removed a few times, I'm sure, over his lifetime. So who knows what's supposed to be there and what's not supposed to be there. But we're gonna go up under here and take a peek and just let you guys see where this stuff goes. It makes sense to have that stuff put in there before we put our fuel tank in. All right, so that right there is a Power Glide 2-speed. That's gonna go possibly in the Malibu. I'm not sure yet, but right now it's the only transmission I got for the Malibu. So I may go ahead and see what the 2-speed is hitting going. We shall see. But in the meantime, let's go into here and take a peep at things, okay? For starters though, this bed mounting bolt kit, I only got 8 bolts, man. And this thing has 10 bolts in the bed. I got 2, 4. Let's see. No. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold up. Oh, my bad. Hold up. It is only 8 bolts. Okay. I was about to say. Okay, so they sent me 2 extra pads because this thing comes with 10 pads. So that messed me all up. I was about to be calling these guys up, trying to find out where my other bolts at, but we got that all figured out. I'm not missing any bolts, gang. I'm not missing any bolts. So now currently, yeah, let's go ahead and get these bolts into the C10. But first, just got to get these mounting pads in. I've already installed 2 of the mounting pads. And yeah, I'm gonna have to line that up, look like, because it's not perfectly lined up. Same down here. But let's go ahead and take a peek, gang. All right, gang, so I'm kind of disabled right now. I just had shoulder surgery, y'all. I can't really move my arm. You see the yeah, second shoulder surgery within 2-year period, and we still moving on, gang. Still moving on. All right, so as you can see, the mounting pad goes between the frame and all the bolt location points. You can see there's a pad right there. There's a pad right there. And let's see. 1, 2. I already got a pad right here. Got a pad there. And the next pad is going right here. As you can see right there. It's already a cushion, a space there for it pretty much, because I guess the pads are leveling it out to about the same distance. So yeah, but I mean, the easiest thing to do is do this when you have the bed off. I mean, the only thing I can think of that you can do to make this work out is to use a breaker bar. Okay, use a breaker bar. You find a location between the frame and the bed. You push up on the breaker bar so that you can lift up on your, you get space in there to put that pad in there. So as you can see, it's not necessary to have to pull the whole bed off to replace the bushings, okay? This right here is the area where the fuel tank is going to be mounted at. As you can see, the fuel straps are already here in place. Fuel strap 1, fuel strap 2. Alright, so the tank will be right here. So yeah, looking forward to getting that baby back in here, man. So In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get these pads back in place and come back to you so you can see the finished product. All right. Like you saw me doing, I take my breaker bar, just place it over here, kind of in a little wedge location, and press up. Just enough so I can squeeze my cushion, my pad in place. I'm trying to eyeball it, make sure I can see through there pretty evenly. So I don't run into too many issues sliding that bolt down through there. Hopefully not. I think we're all good to go. So we're gonna go up top and see if we can slide these bolts right on through and see how that port goes. Okay. All right, so as you can see, gang, at this point we are in the bed of the truck, and yeah, we should be able to just drop our bolts right on through there. That worked out great. Straight drop. Drop it right on in there. Voila. And it's process is gonna continue to go on like that until we finish, guys. So yeah, just wanted to bring this to you. Another small little upgrade you can do to your C10. So keep your eye out for the small things, guys. Keep your eye out for the small things. Every little thing beautifies your truck. So I get this baby through the hole. Yeah. Let's see where it's not lining up on that one. Got all the bed bolts installed. There was only 8 of them. I don't know where I got 10 from. More likely because I saw 10 pads. So this is all of them installed, man. The top 2 bolts, the third one from the bottom of the bed is your long bolt. So be sure not to put a short one there, because you can mistakenly get under there and bolt it up and realize at the end that, oh, that's the wrong one. So yeah, watch out for that. Let's take a quick peep under here and see what it looked like. Alright, so we got our first 2 bolts here, right here at the end. Yeah, 1, 2. And our last 2 bolts right up here. That's your long one right here. It goes right here at the top of the leaf spring, at the front forward location of the leaf spring mount. And that's your other bolt right there. They come with lock washers and a flat washer. So make sure you use all your hardware. And yeah, other than that, gang, I used those 2 other mounting pads. I was looking on the outside of my truck at where the tires are in relation to the bed. So I realized on this side, it looks a little lower on this side. So I used those pads to put under the bed right here. I don't know if it's really doing much, but that's what I did. I'm pretty sure it probably got something to do with stiffer, you know, leaf springs a little stiffer on one side than the other side. It's not too much, but it's enough where you can tell. Okay, so that'll be perfect for adjustable coilovers, you know, 4-link setup in the rear, adjustable coilovers. Definitely make sure you get your ride height perfect like that. So definitely something to look forward to in the future. I'm not going to invest in no drop leaf springs, none of that mess. I'm just going to look forward to a 4-link, man. I got a 4-link it, man. Get it 4-link. But yep, this is me, man, checking in with you, just to let you see what the progress is. We got that stuff done. Next thing that happened is a fuel tank getting installed into the truck. So just want to bring to you the bed mounting bolt install, and we're gonna keep 100 right there, man. It's your boy C10. Kurt. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, it's your boy, and I'm out. Peace.